Let's start cleaning. This morning, I take a soft cloth and begin in the living room. I often use the word soft. It means not hard or rough, easy to touch. The cloth feels nice in my hand. I see dust on the shelves and on the picture frames. I slowly wipe them one by one. Wipe means to clean a surface with your hand or a cloth. I move the books, lift small decorations, and clean under them too. Then I dust the TV and the coffee table. To dust means to remove very small dirt from things so they look clean again. The sunlight shines through the window and everything starts to sparkle. I take the blanket from the sofa, shake it outside, and fold it neatly. Fold means to bend something, like clothes or paper, so it becomes smaller and tidy. I put the blanket in the basket and the magazine back on the table. The living room slowly becomes tidy. Tidy means clean and in order. I like when everything looks neat. Then I check under the table and find some crumbs. I take a small brush and clean them up. Cleaning is easy when I do it step by step. This phrase means to do something slowly, one part at a time. I open the window and feel the fresh air. It helps me work better and think clearly. I look around and smile. The living room feels open and bright. I like to put in order. It means to make things neat and in the right place. The air smells better now, like morning. I stretch my arms, take a deep breath, and enjoy the quiet. The first room is ready, and I feel proud to begin my big cleaning day. Now it's time for the floor. I take out the vacuum cleaner and plug it in. Vacuum cleaner means a machine that sucks up dust from the floor. I turn it on, and the sound fills the room. I slowly move it under the table, near the sofa, and behind the door. The carpet looks much better already. I use the small brush to clean the corners. Then I roll up the rug and shake it outside. Dust flies away into the air. After that, I fill a bucket with warm water and add some floor cleaner. Floor cleaner means liquid soap that we use to wash the floor. I dip the mop in the water and start to wash. Mop means a tool for washing the floor. The smell is fresh and light. I move the mop in long lines from wall to wall. The floor starts to shine. I like when it looks smooth and bright. I often use the phrase clean up. It means to make a place neat again after work or mess. I open the balcony door to let the air dry the floor faster. While waiting, I sit down for a moment and rest my hands. I say to myself, little by little, everything will be done. Little by little means slowly but with progress. The sun is high now, and the room feels warm. I go back, check every corner, and see no dust. I take the vacuum back to the closet and close the door. I like the phrase put away. It means to return something to its place after using it. I wash the mop, empty the bucket, and wipe the handle dry. The living room is clean, the floor is shining, and the air smells fresh. I smile because the hardest part is done. It's a good feeling when the room looks new again. Now I go to the bathroom. It's small, but there is always a lot to clean. I start with the sink. I take a sponge and some cleaning spray. Cleaning spray means liquid that helps remove dirt from surfaces. I spray it on the sink and the mirror, then wipe everything carefully. The water spots disappear and the glass begins to shine. I like when the mirror looks clear and bright. Next, I move to the shower. I take a brush and start to scrub the tiles. Scrub means to rub something hard to make it very clean. I wash away the soap foam and see how white the walls become. Then I clean the metal parts, the tap, the shower handle, and the drain. They start to look shiny again. I rinse everything with warm water and dry it with a towel. The smell of freshness fills the room. I hang new towels on the hooks and fold the old ones for laundry. I like the phrase fold up. It means to bend something neatly before putting it away. Then I wash the floor with warm water and a little soap. I take the mop and move it slowly from one side to the other. Mop means a tool for washing the floor with water. I wait a few minutes for the floor to dry. While waiting, I clean the small shelf where I keep bottles and creams. I like the phrase wipe off. It means to remove something from a surface using a cloth. I open the small window to let the air move. Sunlight comes in and everything starts to sparkle. Sparkle means to shine with small flashes of light. The bathroom looks new, smells clean, and feels fresh. I take one last look and feel happy with the result. Now I go to the bedroom. It looks quiet, but a little messy. I start with the bed. I take off the blanket and the sheets and put them in a basket for washing. Then I open the window to let in fresh air. Fresh air means clean air from outside that feels good to breathe. The curtain moves softly in the wind, and sunlight fills the room. I take a deep breath. The air feels light and cool. I like how it makes the space feel bigger. Next, I take a clean sheet, stretch it wide, and spread it across the bed. I smooth every corner carefully and place the pillows in a straight line. I often use the phrase, make the bed. It means to arrange the bed neatly after sleeping. The bed now looks fresh and soft. I move to the chair and pick up the clothes lying there. Some go back into the closet and some into the laundry basket. I take a few minutes to organize my things. Organize means to put items in a clear and tidy order. I fold my shirts, stack them in a pile, and hang my jeans in the wardrobe. The shelves look neat and the closet looks bigger when everything is in place. Then I dust the bedside table, wipe the lamp, and clean the small desk near the window. My notebook, a few pens, and a cup all find their places again. I like the phrase, put away. It means to return something to where it belongs after using it. I take the mop and clean the floor carefully. The water sparkles in the sunlight as I move it back and forth. I wait a few minutes for the floor to dry. The room smells light and clean, and the sunlight makes it warm and calm. I look around, happy with how everything looks. The bedroom feels peaceful and ready for rest. Now it's time to do the laundry. I look at the full basket near the washing machine and smile. It's a big load today. I take everything out and place the clothes on the floor. I start to sort out each piece carefully. Sort out means to separate things into groups. I make one pile for white clothes, another for colors, and one small pile for towels. Then I open the washing machine. Washing machine means a machine that washes clothes with water and soap. I put the white clothes inside first, add some detergent, and pour a little fabric softener. I close the door and get ready to start it. I press the button to turn on the cycle. Turn on means to start a machine or light. I hear the click, and then the sound of water fills the drum. Soon it begins to move in a slow, steady rhythm. I like that sound. It means the work is happening even while I rest. While the washing runs, I clean around the machine. I wipe the shelf above it, check the bottles of soap, and make sure everything is in its place. I also sweep the floor and pick up a few small pieces of dust. I open the balcony door to let in fresh air. Fresh air means clean air from outside that feels good to breathe. The soft wind makes the room feel open and bright. After some time, the washing stops. I open the door and take out warm, clean clothes. They smell like soap and flowers. I shake each piece, fold some towels, and hang up the rest. Hang up means to put clothes on a line or hanger so they can dry. I hang them neatly by color: shirts, jeans, and pillowcases. The air moves gently and the laundry begins to dry. I stand by the window, look at my work, and feel proud. Another task finished, one more step toward a clean, happy home. While the washing machine works, I go to the bedroom. The room feels quiet, but I see a few things to fix. I start with the clothes on the chair. I take each piece, fold it, and put it in the closet. I like the phrase, fold up. Fold up means to bend something neatly before putting it away. Then I check the drawers. Some shirts are mixed with socks, so I decide to organize them. Organize means to arrange things in a clear and tidy order. I take everything out, clean the drawer, and place the clothes back nicely. It looks better already. While I work, I find a few old t-shirts that I don't wear anymore. I make a small bag to give them away. I often use the phrase, give away. Give away means to give something you don't need to another person. After that, I move to the bed. The blanket is not straight, so I lift it, stretch it, and fix every corner. I often say, make the bed. Make the bed means to arrange the blanket, sheets, and pillows neatly after sleeping. The bed looks soft and ready for rest. Then I take the mop and clean the floor carefully. The sound of water moves slowly across the room. I like how the floor shines in the sunlight. I open the window a little more to let in the air. The room smells clean and light. I like the phrase, let in. Let in means to allow something to enter, like air or light. I look around and feel calm. The clothes are in their place. The bed looks perfect, and the air feels soft and cool. The bedroom is peaceful and ready for the evening. The cleaning day is almost finished. I walk around my apartment and see how every room looks clean and quiet. The shelves shine, the floor is smooth, and the air feels light. I open all the windows wide and let the wind move through the rooms. The curtains dance slowly in the breeze. I like the phrase, take a deep breath. Take a deep breath means to breathe in slowly and fully to feel calm. I stand still and breathe in the fresh air. It smells new, like morning after rain. Then I take a small candle from the shelf and light up the wick. Light up means to make something start burning, like a candle or lamp. The flame grows and begins to glow softly. The sweet smell of vanilla fills the air and spreads from room to room. I often use the word scent. Scent means a pleasant smell. This scent makes my home feel warm and peaceful. I sit down on the sofa with a cup of tea. The steam rises slowly, and I watch the candle flame move. I like the phrase, look around. Look around means to turn your eyes and see everything near you. I look around and think about all I did today, cleaning, washing, folding, and putting things in order. The house looks bright and full of calm energy. I take another sip of tea and decide to slow down. Slow down means to move or act more quietly and calmly. My body rests, but my mind feels clear. I listen to the wind outside and the soft ticking of the clock. The day has been long, but my home feels new again. I smile, stretch my arms, and whisper, "It's done." The candlelight dances on the wall, and I feel ready to rest in my clean, cozy space.